Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Meyson. Today we're going to talk about how you can make over $1,000 easy every month as a photographer. Now before we get into today's video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also go Hulk smash on that like button if you like my content. So let's get straight into today's video. So before we get into today's video, do not forget to check out my skin tone lock pad that I just put out recently. I'm going to put a link here so you guys can go there and check it out. It was made for medium to dark skin tone people. It is something that I use all the time for my photo shoots, my beauty photo shoots. So you guys should definitely check it out. And if you have bought it, let me know. Just comment down below and I'll reply you and tell you how grateful I am for actually supporting the channel. So yeah, like I said, you guys check that out. I also have a free teeth and eyes whitening action that I put out, so you guys should also check that out. So yeah, let's get straight into this video and talk about how you can make $1,000 easy every month. Now for some photographers, $1,000 isn't a lot of money, but for others $1,000 is a lot of money. So if you're looking at making $1,000 passively as a photographer every month, then there are a few things that I can actually advise you to do. Now the first one is shoot events. When we all start as photographers, or most of us, we actually start shooting events, and from there we decide to go with a particular niche or just something that we like better than events. But some people stuck with events, and event photographers make a lot of money. So if you're not shooting events right now, you should seriously consider shooting events, because event photographers make a lot of money. You can easily make over $1,000 in a day by just shooting events. It is just an easy way to make money. You really do not have to spend too much time editing the images. You can just do a lot of batch editing for the images in Lightroom or Capture One and send it to most of your clients, because they don't really care. They don't need skin retouching. You really do not have to spend a lot of time when it comes to event photography. Now, talking about event photography, if you're a photographer that just started out and you're not making a lot of money right now in photography, or you haven't built your clientele and you're still looking to shoot events, another way you can get into it is by second shooting. Is by being the second shooter at the wedding or any event, and that way you can actually pick up some money easily every week, or a few times a week in a month, and by the end of the month you would actually have made over $1,000 by doing that. So yeah, like I said, it's either you're shooting events, or if you do not have that clientele for now, you're just going to wait and build that by second shooting with other photographers. So either ways, you're going to be making a lot of money. Another way to make money on the side as a photographer is to retouch for others. Now, not a lot of photographers know how to retouch. If you're watching this channel, then I'm sure you already know how to retouch. Wink wink, because that's what I teach you guys how to do. So yeah, if you're a photographer and you can retouch, you can take gigs from other photographers and you're going to earn some money. Some people charge $25, $20 to retouch. Some people go up to $50. It just depends on how good you are and what you are retouching for. So if you are retouching for a commercial gig, you're definitely going to charge more than you're just retouching for someone that wants to post on Instagram. Now, a lot of makeup artists nowadays actually shoot their images, and they're looking for photographers, or they're looking for retouchers to retouch their stuff for them so they can put it up and their images can look really good. So that's like another market that you can just go in, make a couple dollars every day. You can make $100 in a day by doing something like that, and by the time you add that to you shooting events and all those things, you're probably going to be earning over $1,000 in a month. Easy. Sometimes you can even earn as much as $3,000 in a month, but $1,000 is the base price that we're talking about here today. Now, one thing that I actually never did a lot when I started photography, or during my whole photography career, is not during, I'm still a photographer, or in my photography career, right, is shooting a lot of family portraits. Now, I know a few photographers that shoot family portraits, and you can get into that niche or that business because it is really lucrative. Let me give you guys a tip that you can use when you're a business tip when you're shooting family portraits is do not charge too much for family portraits and actually sell prints. That way you can make a lot more money. If you're not charging them too much, then they're interested in shooting with you. They want to shoot a lot of pictures with you, a lot of images, and when they see their images and they love it, you cannot charge them for the prints and make a lot more money selling prints to people. So it's either photo books or large wall prints, whatever it is, just sell more prints to these families. So like I said, shoot families, sell prints. You're going to make a lot of money by doing that. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk about when it comes to how to make $1,000 easy every month is by teaching other people. So if you're really good at something, you're good at portrait photography, you're good at beauty photography, you're good at retouching, whatever it is in photography that you're good at, you can actually teach other people that are looking to get into the business. Photography is a big business. A lot of people are trying to get into photography nowadays. A lot of people think it's just easy to come in here and make money. If you know the right way to do it, then yes, you probably make a lot of money. But if you don't, then you're probably not. But yeah, like I said, another way to make money is by teaching others. You can charge a certain amount to teach people. You can charge $100 for your time. You can charge $200 for your time. Some people charge as much as $1,000 to just teach other people for an hour. So it just depends on you. You know, you can just start something small every month. Pick 1 or 2 people that you teach. I'm pretty sure if you're good at whatever you're doing, there will be people that will be interested in learning from you. Yes. Now, in all these things that I've said, the ultimate way to actually make money, or the 2 ways to make money, is to be good at what you're doing and to market yourself very well. Now, if you sit at home and you don't market yourself, then nobody's going to see your work. Nobody will see what you're doing. So go on Instagram, go everywhere, word of mouth, reach out to people, tell people this is what you can do and this is what you charge them to do it for. And you know, people are going to book you eventually. So yeah, like I said, shoot a lot of events. If you do not have event clients, then for now, just second shoots with people, and that way you're going to build your portfolio and also make money on the side. Not every photographer knows how to retouch. There are a lot of photographers that are looking for other people to retouch their work, and there are some photographers that can actually retouch, but they really do not want to spend that much time, you know, after shooting, you know, working on the same images again. So reach out to those photographers and tell them you can retouch for them. Then I said, shoot family portraits. You never can tell, you know, they might want to buy prints, or shoot it for cheap. Make sure you're not charging them too much and make a lot of money from selling prints. That's one thing. People might not want to pay you for your service, but they want to see themselves looking nice in books and all blown up. Yeah, so take advantage of that. Then last one is teaching others. So teach other people. People want to pay for information. People want to pay for knowledge, and you can just use that to your advantage and make money. Trust me, it's not a bad thing to make money from what you know by teaching others. Don't listen to people. It's not everybody that's going to come out there and put it out for free. It's fine. Teach people and make money. Trust me, you need to eat to survive. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if you haven't checked out my skin tone lock pack, check it out. Put a card up here. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I also have a free eyes teeth whitening action. You guys should definitely go download that and use it. And yes, thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you bought it, if you haven't, if you buy it, then it's definitely going to support this channel, because I am trying to do this as full-time as possible. We'll see how that works. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Go thumbs up if you love it. Also subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, be the first person to know when I put out new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing week. My name is Meyson.